Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's the next day and we're back here at Halfway Coffee. So I'm just ordering a coffee for takeaway this time, so the guy's just making it right there. You guys know this place is so pretty, it's so cute. I just had to come back and the takeaway cup is so pretty as well. Oh, thank you. Look at that, guys, it's so pretty. It's like very authentic designs. Well, at least I think it's authentic. I just finished my coffee. Alright guys, I pretty much finished my coffee. I had a headache when I woke up this morning. I think it was a coffee headache. It's slowly lifting. But I highly recommend checking out Halfway Coffee. I was gonna say Halfway Cafe. Halfway Coffee because of these, because they're so pretty. I might come back and get the blue one next time. So these are little market stalls, and you'll find them near markets and just some residential areas. You can just buy fruits. And then you've got some ducks, chickens, I think. But we're basically near the Sheung Wan market, that's why. So if you guys want to see like what Asian like markets kind of look like, they pretty much look like an ordinary market, but like that. Like very, very traditional, I feel. Alright guys, so we're going to catch a tram. So I'm going to catch one of those ones. I believe that's the right direction, that one. Fun fact guys, this building here, those designs are actually koalas. So the fare for the tram is $2.60, but I don't have 60 cents, so I'm just going to pay $3. Unfortunately they don't give change, which is why it's important to have like an octopus card, but I've got points, so that's what a $2 coin looks like, and that's what $1 looks like. Alright guys, so now here at Wan Chai, I'm going to go to the Wan Chai Computer Center. I am going to grab a couple of things. Oh, I just had a look at one of the hawkers and they had like some of my favorite treats. I might come back for it later. But first I just need to get some money from the ATM because some shops here, they give you a discount if you pay with cash. I think it's sort of like a tax evasion sort of thing. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm just assuming that's what it is. So this is definitely one of the places you have to go if you're after some tech. I know there are places in like the New Territories and Kowloon side that sell stuff like this as well, but I prefer coming here because I'm familiar with the area. Just finished at the computer center and success. I got my partner a gaming mouse and some rechargeable batteries. I started looking at the external drives and they're actually pretty much the same price, if not a little bit more expensive than the ones in Australia. So I think I'm just gonna wait until I go back to Australia to get it because yeah, it's just not really. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait until I go back to Australia to purchase another hard drive. So Hong Kong has a lot of these places, and what I really like is that waffle, that pressed waffle. So it says I think 16 Hong Kong dollars, so I'm gonna go and request for one. Yes, please. Chili. $8. Okay, thank you. Okay, I just had that waffle, it was so good. I'm so full now. So I'm gonna make my way to the ferry pier now. Oh sweet, there's a public observation deck. Alright, let's go upstairs and see. That's the thing with Hong Kong, is like a lot of stairs. I'm exhausted. I'm kind of doing a double vlog today because I'm filming for Maybelline as well. I was supposed to film yesterday, but I wasn't really sure about the, not legalities, but like if I could film at Disneyland. That was something that I thought like maybe needed some clarification, but I didn't really want to go through it because I'm on a holiday. So I'm just doing like this whole like wear test thing today. Yeah, and surprisingly it's not that noisy considering they're basically reclaiming some land over there. It's such a nice day. I kind of want to just chill here for a bit, but I have so many things I need to do today. I didn't realize how much stuff I jam-packed into this holiday of mine, but here we are. We're just going to do what we can and just enjoy it as much as I can as well. So I'm going to go to Simsacho, which is on the other side, take the ferry. Guys, I made it to the ferry. The ferry is currently docking, that's the proper word, and then passengers are just disembarking, and then I'm going to get on. I'm going to try and get a good spot so you guys get to see it as well. Okay, so I went into the air-conditioned cabin bit because it is so hot, as you guys could probably tell. But I'll show you guys a bit of the journey. I feel like I'm a bit dehydrated. Actually, probably not a little. I'm probably very dehydrated at the moment. Maybe that's why my headache isn't going away. So I'm just going to grab some I'm going to grab an electrolyte drink. The one we have here in Hong Kong is Pocari Sweat. So if you guys are tourists and you're looking for like Gatorade, usually you can find Pocari Sweat. Alright guys, I've done my shopping and I'm ready to go to Central. Don't know what that guy's yelling. I'm pretty much taking the same train that I took to Hong Kong Disneyland, but this time I'm actually going to get off at the last stop, which is called Tong Chong. Hey guys, so I have quickly dropped my stuff back at home and I'm now here at IFC, or pretty much IFC. I'm going to catch up with my cousins for dinner. We're going to the Shake Shack. Sorry, it's a lot of people. I'll talk to you guys once I'm inside. Right, apparently this place is very hip considering how many people are here. Alright, so let's go make an order. Oh, yes please, thank you. Alright, so this is the menu. Alright, my food's here.